Types of preventive maintenance software. Number 1. Computerized maintenance management systems. CMMS software and maintenance apps help maintenance teams keep detailed and centralized records of all assets, equipment, and completed work. A CMMS allows facilities to plan, track, and optimize work order, inventory, and everything else associated with maintenance. Number 2. Enterprise Asset Management. EAM software provides a holistic view of an organization's physical assets and infrastructure throughout its entire life cycle, from design and procurement, to operation, maintenance, disposal, and replacement. EAM systems record asset information, manage work orders, coordinate inventory purchasing and usage, organize labor, track contracts, measure costs and spending, and calculate KPIs. Number 3. Enterprise Resource Planning. Here's how ERP software works. Every company has different business units that make it function, like accounting, human resources, and maintenance. ERP software takes everything these different departments do and connects them, so the entire organization has the same processes and information.